I'm a bit confused about one question. Isa alayhi salam came after Musa alayhi salam, and it said that he did not come to change any jot of Torah.
Right.
So I'm confused. Holy Quran mentioned him as a prophet who brought a book, Injeel. So if Huzur please could explain.
You see, Injeel, what does Injeel mean? Khushkhabri, we call it in Urdu. Bisharat. So, Bisharat is never discontinued. After the Holy Quran, Hazrat Masih was spoken to by God, but in no case he contradicted any verse of the Holy Quran, or even in Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But it's full of basharat. My people will spread all over the world, they will conquer the whole world, and all that. So this is Injeel. That is why he is so similar to Hazrat Isa alayhi salatu wasalam. You understand the point? Yes.
So is this also refer to the hadith that says لم يبقى من النبوة إلا المبشرات?
That's right. Oh, yes. Thank you so much for reminding me. Okay. Yes.